How to insert a JPG or PNG in AutoCAD DWG, which is editable. Hello everyone, and let's get started. If you want to insert a JPG or PNG file or photo in your AutoCAD DWG, you need to download and install the software called as Image2CAD. So first of all, open any browser and then search for Image2CAD. This software is a convertible software that converts images to DXF, HBGL, WMF and EMF format. So tap on the download button to install. After that, extract the file and then complete the installation. Once the software is completed, you need to input the image format. So input or insert any of the file that you have in JPG, PNG, PCX, TGA or any other format. And after that, on the output vector format, select DXF. Once this is done, you can now drag and drop it to your AutoCAD and you're good to go. Likewise, it has different additional features like solid software, lines and much more. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.